Welcome to this tutorial on using from roles in a rest of the year planning view. First, review what time settings control. They let you choose the required time granularity, define the number of periods to display, and decide whether the planning horizon uses a fixed time or rolling time window. You can also combine different time intervals or use total to display aggregated key figure values. Next, consider the rest of the year and from roles example. Rest of the year means the remaining part of the current year, from today or a specified period until the end of the year. From roles means the from period rolls forward over time, while the period stays fixed. In this tutorial, the example interval runs from June 2026 to December 2026. Now, in Excel, open the SAP IBP ribbon. The Planning View group is displayed, and the New View button is highlighted. Click New View to create a planning view from a template. After clicking New View, the Create New Planning View from Template window opens on the Time Settings page. The Rolling field is displayed in the Time Settings table. Open the Rolling dropdown so you can choose how the time interval should move over time. After opening the Rolling dropdown, the available options are displayed, including Rolling, Fixed from Roles, and to Roles. Select from roles so the starting period can roll forward while the ending period remains fixed. After selecting from roles, the time settings row shows month as the time level and from roles as the rolling option. Click the From dropdown to choose the starting period for the rest of the year interval. After opening the From dropdown, the available monthly periods are displayed. Select the required From period for the example horizon. In this tutorial, the generated planning view starts at June 2026. After selecting the From period, the time settings row is updated. Click the drop-down to choose the fixed ending period for the rest of the year window. After opening the drop-down, the available monthly periods are displayed. Select the required to period. In this example, the planning view ends at December 2026. After selecting the period, confirm that the time settings row uses from roles with the chosen from and to periods. Then click OK to generate the planning view. After clicking OK, the SAP IBP Excel add-in creates the planning view in the worksheet. The view displays actuals quantity by material across monthly columns from June 2026 through December 2026. In summary, using from roles in a rest of the year planning view starts by creating the planning view, changing the rolling option to from roles, selecting the from and to periods, and confirming the setup. The SAP IBP Excel add-in then writes the planning view into the worksheet so planners can review values from a rolling start period through a fixed end period. The exact templates, fields, periods, and settings may vary by planning area, template, and system setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.